Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today, I'm going to be unboxing a fidget cube. I've been wanting one of these for a long time. Oh, that's actually really cool. Oh, see, like on the sides, if you ever buy one, it says like which one it is. Like you can click, spin, which is possibly this joystick or something. How do I get this thing out? Okay, scrap from the side. Okay, here's the fidget cube. Sorry, that's just my cat. On the sides, glide. I think this might be like glide. This is like, oh crap. No, cat, no. I don't want you to be on camera. This is possibly like the spin that's right there. The flip, which is like a light, like a what is it called? A light switch. Like you can do that. Not really do it like if you're at a meeting or something. If you are a grown-up. Possibly not. This is like joystick if you ever play Xbox, PlayStation. And then oh yeah, this thing is like these things like you like spin these, maybe like a combination, maybe. Sorry if I'm holding it a little too close, but it's like a combination, and like this thing like you can roll your finger on or your thumb on, and then it says breathe. Maybe like if you're stressed or something, you just take it and just like rub your finger on it. I kind of like doing this a little bit. And then like these are like pen things. Usually like ones whenever I see videos, like there's always like two that are kind of like duds and everything, and three are like pen clicking, but all of these are like having pen clicks. See? Yeah, so like you can just mess around with that. And like this one, like you spin it counterclockwise, because if you spin it clockwise, it's like really hard to spin. I just noticed that. And then a light switch. I don't really know this. Oh yeah, place like with the joystick, it like you press it down. Huh. That's funny. Oh yeah, you can like use this thing at work, class, or home, of course, because I'm at my house. And class, like if your teacher's teaching, I advise not to like do these things or the pen things or that. So like you could just do like the little ball, or no, not switch, gosh, or like joystick, or this thing. I still have no idea what it is. It says like glide, so maybe it's like a glider. I really have no idea. And, oh, again. Okay, 4 minutes. And still, I've no idea how this thing works at all. So, I got this just today, and I literally just opened it. It came in like a package thing, but I took out that package because I ordered it off of Amazon. So I just took out the package. But not like the box, because if you ever order something that's small, some of this weird thing that has bubbles in it. And if you're wondering why I'm always looking over there, it's because there's TV running. I'm watching March Madness. Possibly you guys won't really know that. And also I kind of forgot to make a video after, just like a 1 year anniversary type of thing that I was over at my friend's house, so I was thinking to that I was that I was thinking to make a video, but I was having way too much fun, so we didn't. That's what that movie is called. Okay. Life. Wow. Yeah. I think this is like super loud. I really wouldn't want to do this. Like the joystick, the pen clicking, this, whatever this thing is, the glider I'm just gonna call, the pen button things, and like this, everything. Possibly if you're stressed or something, like you can just grab it and just like rub your finger on it, because it feels really, really nice. And like right here has a ball. It's like, you can just like breathe and do that. Right here has, right here it's just like a locker combination. Like you could just go like this, or you could just do it with the side of your thumb. And then, oh yeah, one thing. Also, comment in this video below to see if you like that video that I did with my GoPro on a fish tank. And also, I might be able to do some, like, to be able to, like, maybe first-person stuff, because for my birthday, I got like a headband plus this tripod. It's flexible. Yeah. Okay, I can do that type of stuff. I'm gonna fix that later, I don't care. And then I have my GoPro. You can take this out. Sometimes I bring it to my friend's house. So, tell me if you guys do like that, because I actually think the video reception is actually really cool on it, because it's kind of like, it's like more wide, but it's also like HD at the same time, so like, you don't have to change the settings for it, but, and just, comment, subscribe, do whatever, like, dislike if you want to, comment, and the video is there.